Hello everyone, it's Beck here from Hello, my name is Beck, popping in today to start a new series of videos. Now, you might not be interested in these videos, but it's something that I'm going to do on a weekly basis to actually keep my inspiration and mojo going. So I bought this recently. It's called Wreck This Journal and it's by Kerry Smith. She actually published a black and white version of this back in 2004 or something around there, and then she has since then made the colour version, and I think this is 2016. It's just a journal full of prompts, and it basically wants you to destroy the journal and inspire you to get arty or creative. So this is something that I intend to do, and yeah, I'm looking forward to going through this. I am going to number all the pages, which it actually does have. One of the prompts in here is to number all the pages, and then I'm going to work out how many pages I need to complete in order to complete this whole journal in 1 year. And one of the other things I'm looking at doing is making this a series of videos and always publishing this on a Wednesday, so it's Wreck This Journal Wednesday. Hopefully it's something I can keep up with, and yeah, we'll see how we go. So I'm just going to leave you with some music while I look through this journal with you. You'll see some of the prompts along the way, and we're going to do some of the prompts today. So today is Monday the 11th of January, so this will be uploaded on Wednesday for you. Thank you. Bye guys.